Hello friends, this is Tanvir and this is the 11th video of the series on basic Java EE. Today we are going to create the new project that was talked about in the previous video. So go to File, New, JPA project. Let's name this project as movie underscore props underscore JPA. And in the same way I'm going to just the defaults and the basic JPA. Click on next. Same link should be there, and I do not actually need to create this one because I'm going to create a new one only because the database is different here. So going to have the MySQL. Click on next. Here in the database section I'm going to this time use movie props. So movie props, and this section will go the same way, and there is no password. Just click on text connection to see the being succeeded message. Click on OK, then click on finish. And as I didn't change the name, so it zero bracket got appended and it's connected. Now click on finish, and in the previous project I'm going to borrow the persistence.xml. Here I'm going to borrow the source, clicking on the source section, and I'm going to go and copy the whole persistence unit, close it, and I'm not gonna need, just keeping it open for now. Go into the source. In the persistence.xml file, in the source, just I'm going to put the copied code here, and going to copy the persistence unit name and remove the extra tag. And here I have actually added a class that is not present, so I'm going to remove it and save it. Now the surprise for you guys is that I am going to create the first package. This is going to be the persistence tire. Persistence tire. Finish, and right click on new. Here we actually used previously the JPA entity. Here if you see the first connection, MySQL new, this one is the table, the example DB, and this one is the table that we are actually using in this project. And if you go into this, here there are this schema, and even the movie props database is also shown here. Even the tables are also shown here. If we just get this bit, there you go, you can see all the tables, even the columns and so on. All the data are actually present inside Eclipse, so we can make use of this data directly in our project. So click new. We have made use of this JPA entity before, so this time I'm going to make use of this one, JPA entities from tables. Click on it, and this is the surprise. You actually have all the tables with all the relationships in between them already present in the database side, and JPA link, or the implementation of a JPA in Eclipse link, and the connector will do their best to create necessary persistence classes. I just click all the classes, and click on finish and see the magic happen in front of your eyes. It is really interesting. There you go. I have clicked finished. Look, customer has been added, movie has been added, product has been added, product customer has been added, and not only that, even the primary key, the composite primary key in this table is also added as an extra class, which is actually needed in the case of composite primary key with JPA. And now just expand on this and see if these extremely complex classes has already been created for us. Double click on the customer, go to the customer table. In the structure there are 4 attributes. There is the primary key, this is worker, this is worker, and this is text. All of those mapped properly here. And even not only that, it has a connection with our product customers. Like a customer will like some products, so it has a one-to-many connection with the product customer, so that connection is also made here. And we can actually have the getter setters too here. And this one is hello B, because this is the password. It has a text section, so this is a special kind of a annotation used by the persistence JPA. And for now, let it be. In the movie section, in the same way, there is this already one-to-one movie to product communication is already created. All these things have already been coded for us, so that we can easily get started with our own logic. And this repetitive code has already been coded for us. Like in the product, it also has the date, like a temporal, and the type of date, and the data type is also date. There is one-to-one, there is join column. All these nitty-gritty details have already been coded in the product customer table. The same thing is here, and this is the primary key, this is the object that actually also been created here, and this is an embedded ID here. So this is the surprise that I wanted to give you guys. Of course there are many of you that already know this, but those who don't know, you can actually be surprised with this, be really happy with this too, because all this is automatically done for us. So for now, what we can do is just directly go and create another package like presentation prior, and create a tester class. With main method, though I have forgotten to tick that, not a problem. Main. And in here we can start coding our try block, and in our catch block we can just get out there the exception. Now in our try block, now we can actually write all the data here. So in the next video we will start working with the JPA code in our main function. Thank you.